Hi everyone, I'm Ann Bracker and I'm back today with another Adobe Illustrator course, and this one is all about speed, getting faster in Illustrator. Now, I've been working with Illustrator for about 20 years, and when I was a beginner and even intermediate level Illustrator user, I would sometimes say to myself, isn't there a better way to do this, a faster way? And it turns out that usually, yes, there is a faster way. So we're going to be looking at a bunch of ways to pick up speed and efficiency in Illustrator. You'll learn how to set up your workspace strategically, keyboard shortcuts and how to get faster with them, and ways to select and isolate what you want to work on, because that is half the battle, is selecting things. Then we'll jump into more advanced methods of gaining speed, like using actions, symbols, and templates. This is an intermediate to advanced level class, so you'll definitely need a basic understanding of Illustrator to get the most out of this class. All right, so let's get started.